Meme stocks became all the rage among retail investors during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's dive into what makes a stock a meme stock, how they rise, and what is the future of meme stocks. A meme stock refers to a stock that has increased in popularity or awareness through social media. Social media platforms like Reddit, X, and Facebook will bring awareness to these companies as online communities partake in in-depth discussions, speculating on the price performance of particular stocks. This can lead to cult-like loyalty from retail investors and a massive jump in trading volume and price movements. Despite the often flawed analysis in these discussions, because of the high volume of participants, these forums have been known to influence the markets in unexpected ways. GameStop is widely regarded as the first meme stock, whose price rose as much as 100 times over several months as its meme community crafted a short squeeze. Since the hype in 2021, meme stocks seem to have died down. Key players such as GameStop and AMC have seen their share prices stabilise at a price much lower than its peak, and the extreme volatility seen back then seems unlikely. For this reason, many people believe meme stocks to be dead. However, this isn't the whole truth, though they have simply evolved. Whilst indeed forums such as Wall Street Bets on Reddit are not as influential as they once were, many retail investors are still turning to social media to inform their investment decisions. Over the past couple of years, users have become more fragmented across different platforms as other social media sites such as Discord and X have become more involved in the investment space. New websites have also emerged that enable users to monitor activity on social media without having to access the site. So meme stocks are still very much a thing, but with users diluted across multiple social platforms, the extreme volatility we were seeing back in 2021 is less likely to reoccur. If you're interested in meme stocks, you can go to the XTB app, and in the Discover tab, you'll see a section dedicated to some currently popular and noticeable meme stocks that you can invest in directly on the XTB app. Subscribe to XTB to stay up to date with the latest on trading and investing.